Hello guys, my name is Samriti Tripathi and I study in class 5th. So today I will discuss you about ozone layer. So today's my topic is about ozone layer. So what is ozone gas and what is the layer? Where it is located and without ozone layer, what will happen in our earth? So these all questions in this video I will tell you about answers. So let's start our video. So the first question is what is ozone? Ozone is a gas that is presented in the last layer of the atmosphere. You know that in our earth there are six types of atmosphere, and every layer has each other attract. So the ozone layer is presented in the last layer. So why the ozone is important for our earth? Ozone is a poisonous gas that help to not come ultraviolet rays to the earth. But why? What is this ultraviolet rays and what it give us harmful? It is harmful for our earth. If you are thinking no, then this is not right. The ultraviolet rays are the rays that comes from sun. When the light come, that light also take ultraviolet rays, and that ultraviolet rays can causes many diseases in our body, like damage in our skin, damage in eyes, damage cells, damage muscles, etc. It can also damage your organs also. So only these ultraviolet rays are very not important for our earth. And the ultraviolet rays also attract other living organizations, like take an example of plants and animals also are like us. They have also organs, they have also cells inside them, so that their cells also will be damaged, and their organs also will be damaged. So now you know what is this, what is ultraviolet rays. Now what is ozone? Now you know that what is ozone gas and where it is presented. Now the next is why you are telling me, why I am explaining you that ozone layer is important. Ozone layer, now you know that what is ozone. But if one time the ozone will finish, then what will happen in our earth? If the ozone will finish, then a many big problem will create. A big problem will come to the earth for our human beings. It will damage our skin, and also the atmosphere will be changed. The every layer of the atmosphere will be changed. They will not start working, and the ultraviolet rays also will break down the oxygen, so that we cannot do properly air of the oxygen. We cannot breathe properly. And also it will dry the water is also the very important thing for our life. Without water we cannot live. Three things are very important for us: water, food, and air we have also. But if ultraviolet rays will come, then oxygen will break down and we cannot take properly air. This was the first reason. Now the second of water. Without water we cannot drink anything and we will get die. So if the ultraviolet rays will be rich in the earth, then it will all dry the water into the water vapor, and that water vapor will be presented in the air, and never the water will come to the reach to the earth. Then this was the second. And fourth, foods. Without food comes from the plants, and if there is not plants, then how we can eat food? Because plants also want water, and there is no water, then there is no plants. If there is no plants and no food, so if there is not ozone layer, then our earth will get to destroy. The life clues all will get destroyed. But why I am telling you? Because of the because of the pollution. The pollution is going to the layer and layer, and then it is destroying the ozone gas. How this process is called the ozone gas destroying. So what is this and how it works? The way you know that there are many types of pollution, like air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, land pollution, etc. So these all pollution are together, and they are making in atmosphere dirty. They are making the atmosphere dirty, and when the atmosphere will get totally dirty, then we can breathe anything, because that gas will be very smelly. So the pollution go upper and upper layer, and when it get the last layer has ozone in it, and that reaction is called the ozone destroying layer. When it destroy, then it destroy, and again the pollution go to the space. So if we will not make pollution, then our ozone gas will also protect from us, and we will increase pollution. Then the ozone gas will get destroyed day by day, and if the ozone gas destroyed, then you know what will happen into the earth. So if you want more information for pollution, then you can go to my YouTube channel and search pollution video of Samriddhi. So there will I will also give you description box of pollution information. So this video, if you like my video, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my video. Thank you.